before anybody actually invests in Dubai, what would you like them to know?
I would like them to know that not every project is beautiful first. Abu Dhabi is moving very fast recently with the upcoming Disneyland that's coming and a lot of new projects now. They announced the Harry Potter on Yas Island as well, the Harry Potter park. So Abu Dhabi's market as well is moving very fast and has a lot of potential to grow.
So I just forgot what I asked. And in Dubai, where do you see the next area to look out for?
In Dubai, they're not just buying a property. They're buying the lifestyle. They're buying the advantages that Dubai offers. So people buying a property, maybe they're looking for the investor's visa, which the Dubai government has lowered to 400,000 dirhams only to get the 2 years investor's visa instead of 750 previously.
So I need to do that again. There. So. While Abu Dhabi has always been our focus, Dubai has always been part of that conversation. Welcome to the 5th episode of Stacked. Today, we are introducing the person who's going to be leading us there. Karim Slaby, our new managing partner at Altura Dubai. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Sana, for the introduction.
Wonderful. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself for people who are meeting you for the first time?
Of course. So I'm the new managing partner at Altura Properties in Dubai. I've been in the market for the past 6 years, and I come originally from Lebanon. I've been in the European market, US market, and the UK market, actually marketing Dubai. And here I am today, and I'm very excited for the journey.
That's amazing. We're excited to have you as well. So was real estate always the plan for you?
Basically, yes. Real estate was always the plan for me. I grew up in a family of real estate. So we own development and real estate back in Lebanon. And I've always planned to be in real estate. I love real estate, and I grew up in an environment where really the talks in the house is always real estate and investment. So basically, yes.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, so when you were little, you'd follow your dad around.
Exactly.
To the sites and everything.
Yes.
That's so cute. Amazing. And so you said 6 years ago. So you've been doing real estate for 6 years in Abu Dhabi?
No, basically, I've been in the Dubai market for the past 6 years. I've been in the real estate for around 8 years now, between Lebanon, Europe, and in Dubai for the past 6 years.
And where in Europe?
Basically, we're focusing in France and Cyprus and Greece because there's a lot of investors back in Lebanon that during the crisis wanted to diversify their portfolio. So we focused in Greece, in Cyprus, and in France, basically.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And when you came 6 years ago, what was the Dubai market like?
Dubai market was pretty, I would say, new. It was evolving. It was developing. So it was very different from now. It was fast-paced for sure, but it was not as fast as we see today. We started investing ourselves in the Dubai market 6 years ago. Yeah. And yes, that's basically how I ended up in Dubai.
Amazing. And can you take me back to when you first started until now? How has the real estate market changed for you? I know you said it was fast-paced before, but it's a lot faster-paced. Are there any other major changes that you've seen?
Of course. So there's new developers that are in the market nowadays. Dubai is becoming much more international. So the demand in Dubai is actually increasing day by day, which was not the case 6 and 7 years ago. We saw the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, which affected the market, but the market of Dubai showed some resilience and continue to grow day by day and month by month. So the growth is a big part of the past 6 years in Dubai's market. New areas has come. So basically areas that were not actually developed before are now being developed. So basically Dubai grew in these 6 years, and the international demand and international exposure of Dubai has shown a very strong growth as well for the past 6 years.
Great.
Yeah.
And your client base, would you say they're more investors or end users?
Okay, so basically my clients are basically investors. And I would say some are end users. They end up loving Dubai, and they say that the property that they bought, oh, we're gonna use it as a second home, or they plan to move to Dubai. So in the past 2 years, we saw a lot of investors actually switching to end users, basically opening their businesses in Dubai because of the international exposure, the tax free. So yes, most of them started as investors and ended up as end users.
As end users.
Yes, exactly.
Beautiful. And is it a lot of international investors? Because I know in Abu Dhabi we have a lot of new international investors coming in, investing in Abu Dhabi in the real estate market here. Is it the same for Dubai?
Dubai, actually, you would be surprised how known it is nowadays in the international market. So basically, Dubai, yes, a lot of internationals are now investing in Dubai, and they've been investing for the past 2 years. So the market in Dubai is focused more on international clients than actually residents in the UAE, which shows the growth and the potential of the Dubai market in the upcoming years, and how they attract people to come and live in this beautiful city.
Amazing. And in your experience from when you first started, what have you learned along the way that would really help your investors today?
Focus on good developers. This is the most important factor today in the market. Focus on your good entry point. So don't just jump in a project because the renders are beautiful, and know with who to work in the Dubai market, because there's a lot of agents today, but you need to choose the real estate company and the agent that you're working with. This is very, very important for investors.
Absolutely.
To invest in Dubai.
Absolutely. And between Abu Dhabi and Dubai, what would you say is the biggest difference between the two?
I would say Dubai is both cities. I love both cities, and I've lived in Dubai and I've lived in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is calmer. Dubai is faster in terms of taking decisions to buy the property, so both are very fast. But I would say Dubai is faster than Abu Dhabi. Now, the lifestyle of Abu Dhabi is calmer, more family oriented. Dubai is more entrepreneurial and business oriented. So. That's the main difference of both cities. I would
have to agree with you there.
Yeah.
And before anybody actually invests in Dubai, what would you like them to know?
I would like them to know that not every project is beautiful first. Not all the renders are typically, not all the buildings actually are like the renders that are being promoted. But most importantly, that choose the area very well, because this will impact your ROI in the future and will impact the capital growth that you're looking at. Right. So this is both points that I would focus on with my international investors.
Amazing. And looking forward, how do you see the Abu Dhabi market moving?
Abu Dhabi is moving very fast recently with the upcoming Disneyland that's coming, and a lot of new projects. Now they announced the Harry Potter on Yas Island as well, the Harry Potter park. So Abu Dhabi's market as well is moving very fast and has a lot of potential to grow. And we're seeing both cities actually coming close to each other with the Dubai Al Maktoum airport that's coming up. So it's 30 minutes away from Yas Island, Dubai South. So both cities are actually developing in a way that they will actually connect in a very short term.
And do you see Dubai moving in the same direction?
Yes, exactly. I see Dubai moving in the same direction. There's the Etihad rail that will connect both cities in 30 minutes. So both cities are moving very fast. And I believe that in the near future, we're going to be able to come and go in less than 30 minutes with the Etihad rail.
Amazing. And here in Altura, we're very, very lucky to have you join us and have a partner in Dubai. We see a lot of crossover between our clients here looking for investments in Dubai. Do you have the same? Do your clients also ask about Abu Dhabi?
Of course, Abu Dhabi nowadays, especially with all the advertisement that's being done recently, a lot of investors that have already invested in Dubai are looking to diversify their portfolio and invest in Abu Dhabi. This is where Altura Property Group has a big role, because we can actually cover both cities in a very professional way from A to Z. So yes.
Amazing. Amazing. And speaking of Altura, how did this come to be? Like, where did that conversation start with Altura?
So basically, Alex and I are very good friends. Yes. And I saw how Altura Group actually works, how international it is, how professional it is. We lack of this international exposure and professionalism in Dubai. And I align with the values that Altura Group has. And yes, basically it started with a discussion, and then things happened, and here I am today.
Amazing. And so it's that values and the morals, the ethics of the way we practice is what has led you to.
Exactly. And how really we manage everything from A to Z for our investors, either residents in the UAE or international. Really, Altura can take in charge everything from A to Z.
Great. And what will your role look like in Altura?
So first, I would manage the office in Dubai. Secondly, I would give the international exposure as well to Altura properties. We would do international events that's coming up in the future. We will have a very strong presence with developers, which will allow us to give investors actually pre-launching deals, better prices, and some offers that other real estate companies do not have in the market.
Amazing.
So, yes.
And in Dubai, where do you see the next area to look out for?
I will not give you one area. I will give you maybe
give us three.
Three areas.
Top three picks.
Exactly. Yeah. So first, I would say Dubai South. Of course, there's the new international airport, the biggest in the world that's coming. The area is being developed. It's closer to Abu Dhabi, so we're gonna get back to the thing that we said, that Dubai is growing south. So Dubai South is a very good area to focus on. The second is a last beachfront island, which is Dubai Islands. It's a very good investment opportunity. Price per square feet is lower than other beachfront locations in Dubai. We have 2 golf courses, a mall. So basically, this is a very good location to focus on. And last but not least, I would say Meydan Horizon. This location is close to the new downtown, which is coming, and the biggest mall that has been announced by Amar. It's 10 minutes away from Business Bay, the IFC, and downtown Dubai and Burj Khalifa. Right. So this area as well.
Okay.
To focus on.
And just really quickly, name 3 developers off the top of your head, very quickly, that you enjoy working with.
MTS Development,
okay.
Shoba, developer. And the last,
I know there's so many to choose from. I'm putting you on the spot here.
Exactly. I would say Arada developers.
Arada.
Yes.
Great. What are people getting wrong about the Dubai market?
What are people? Oh, this is a good one. That decisions actually need to be very quick. They think they can take their time and decide and ask around. No, decisions should be very quick, but they should be good decisions and thought after. So it's a mixed feeling. People tend to think, oh, maybe there's another opportunity that's coming up, and end up buying the same property at a higher price. So decisions should be made fast and faster than most investors think.
Right. And many people think that the ROI in Dubai is absolutely incredible. Is that truth or is that a myth?
It's both. In some area, yes, ROI is incredible. Yeah. In some areas, no. Agents tend to overpromise. That's why I always ask my investor to rely on official sources to check the ROI. So the Dubai government has set up official channels to check up the rentals that's being done in the specific area, the average price. So always rely on official sources and trusted agents and trusted companies to do your decision.
Absolutely. And for someone working with you for the first time, what can they expect?
They can expect everything to be handled from A to Z, which means first the official, like the first sale of the property, the rental, the resale of the property, golden visas, and everything that comes around. So basically, we take in charge everything from A to Z. When I say from A to Z, is everything.
Absolutely.
Yes. So
great. That's amazing. One. And why is that important, especially in the Dubai market?
Because when investors actually invest in Dubai, they're not just buying a property. They're buying the lifestyle. They're buying the advantages that Dubai offers. So people buying a property, maybe they're looking for the investor's visa, which the Dubai government has lowered to 400,000 dirhams only to get the 2 years investor's visa instead of 750 previously. And they tend to set up companies. They tend to maybe move in 2 or 3 years. So we can handle everything from A to Z. And they don't have to worry about how will the rent get paid, how we will manage the property. We really handle everything.
You
from
really
A.
do handle it
Yeah,
all. That's
yes.
amazing. And for anybody looking to invest in Dubai, what would you tell them right now? And why is now a good time to invest?
After COVID, we didn't see payment plans as developers are offering today. So this is an opportunity that came into the market, which nobody expected. But this is a very good opportunity for investors. The first movers are always the winners. So basically, this is a golden opportunity to invest today in the market and not tomorrow. So today, developers are offering very good payment plans. The prices are very good. So why not move now? Why decide in 2-3 months where the payment plans will go back to normal and the availability will be none or close to none? So move now.
Absolutely. So you had mentioned roadshows. Can you tell us more about these roadshows?
Of course. So roadshows are the international events that we do in specific cities, for example, in Europe, in US, in the UK, to promote Dubai real estate. Why this is a good opportunity for investors? First, they will get a better deal that when they come and buy directly in Dubai. Why? Because usually projects are sold out. What we do with Altura and main developers in Dubai is we block certain units to the roadshows specifically with a better payment plan, with some promotions going on. So this is a golden opportunity for investors actually to attend the event, to register, so they can take advantage of the promotions that we're doing. Secondly, we offer everything, as I told you, from A to Z. So let's say we're going to a specific city and people buy there, and one of the promotions that we have is we can fly investors in if they buy there to see the product and everything from the event. This is one of the promotions that we previously had, for example. So the similar promotions are coming in. So it's very important to people to attend the roadshows if they're investors, if they're interested in Dubai.
Absolutely. That sounds amazing. And where is next on your list of places to visit? For these roadshows, of course.
So what I think is Nice is next on the table, but nothing is finalized yet. So yes, Nice is most probably on the table.
How about a wish list?
A wish list. I would say US, New York, Miami is two major cities and business hubs similar to Dubai. So I think people there as well will be interested in investing in Dubai. So
absolutely.
The States.
Okay, wonderful. Can you tell us a moment during your real estate career when it's been an absolute disaster, and how have you overcome that moment?
Of course. So let me think about that. One time, a few years ago, I had an investor that was looking for a very specific project, and I advised him not to buy in the specific project because there is better alternative, but he kept telling me that I want to buy in this specific project. At the end of the day, I told him, if you want to buy in this project, then go ahead and I can assist you with that, no problem. We did the paperwork and everything. It took us like a month to finalize things. And then he stopped, he didn't sign, and he goes back to the project that I initially advised him. Yes. And we went through everything, like literally the sizes of the door, the tiles, everything from A to Z in the new project. And he canceled the contract and he said, you know what, I'm gonna buy in the initial project. So this is what was one of many.
So the moral of the story is listen to your first recommendation.
Exactly.
Great.
Exactly. We're in the business. We know what's best for our investors and we advise them. So yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah. Amazing. So that's all the time we have for today's episode. Thank you, Karim, for joining us.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next time for the next episode of Stacked.